everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. I know this may be a little boring for y'all, but for me and the bird fans out there, this is a pretty cool product. So right here we have a bird seed scoop funnel. Okay, and the best part about this is if you have one of the tunnel feeders, or most feeders, because most feeders don't come with a funnel, except for my Brome right here. It came with its own funnel, but that funnel won't work good with this one. So with this one, you can use it on your round funnel. Let's see, turn this knob, and it fits good enough to fit in here. So this type of tunnel right here, the bird tube right here, it's has something in the middle. So good thing for me is that we have this part, so we can just go ahead and put it in here. This is my bucket of bird food. Now what I've been doing was using this scooper and put it in, and guess what, this seeds and everything goes everywhere. So with this part right here is a close and open. Close, so you can leave it closed. You can scoop out your food, scoop it. Guess what? It is closed. Open it. This is probably the product that I need for the year. Once again, we can close it. I can jiggle it around, nothing spilling. I could keep my finger right here, go right on top, and open. That's the end of this review with this bird seed scoop funnel, and that's about it. Like I said, I can't put it in there sideways because it's bigger than the 5-gallon bucket. So when I put it in here, I gotta just tilt it a little bit, scoop it, and then come out, and that's it. All right, you guys, like, comment, share, subscribe.